Hello, guys. Hello. I want to tell you something, guys. Please, please. Are you fine? Guys, no matter what, never ask stupid question. Yes. Never ask your neighbor any stupid question you might think. Just yesterday, me, innocent me, I tried to ask my neighbor a very simple question. I say, hey, my neighbor. Then he said, hi, my neighbor. I said, how are you? He said, I'm fine. I said, okay. But neighbor, what, what's wrong with your wife? He said, what's wrong with her? I said, but she got a scar under her breast. How did she get that scar? Yo, guys, that great neighbor, he beat me. Yeah. Now, you see, the question that you may ask your neighbor might not concern his wife. Okay, I'm in South Africa working. I work because I depend on myself. I work because I know I have a stomach, a very big one, a huge belly. Now I have to eat each and every day from 1 to 30. Now, some other stupid people may like, hey, you're in South Africa. Hey, why don't put on nice shoes, nice clothes, and what? Hey, guys, please. I'm in South Africa. Yes, I'm working, but you have to know, I got my own stomach, my wife's one, and we got relatives too to help. Especially got some other my brothers. They're still schooling, so I have to help them financially. So never ever think to impress other people the way you dress have nothing to do with your responsibility. So I tell you, never ask a stupid question to your friend. Even for me, even for me.